Today, I'll show you how to taste sake in 3 easy steps, without wine rules, without fancy terms. Have you ever taken a sip and thought, okay, what am I supposed to notice? By the end, you'll be able to describe what you like and order something similar next time. I'm Rakuda, a certified sake sommelier called Kikizakeshi in Japanese. Here's a short answer. Look, smell, and sip. That's it. And one rule. Notice, don't judge. Think of it like using clues, not taking a test. This makes sake feel much easier fast. Quick safety tip. Because label can be confusing outside Japan. Sometimes a bottle says sake, but it's actually cooking sake, and it may be contain salt. So, if you are buying a bottle and you are not sure, check the ingredients. If you see salt, that's for cooking or sipping. This method works anywhere. At a restaurant, you often get a small cup, and at home you might use a glass, but the steps are the same. And the goal is not to be perfect. Just notice one single clue at each step. Simple beats perfect. Step 1. Look. Just a quick glance. If it's very clear, it often feels lighter and cleaner. If it looks more golden or amber, it often feels richer. This isn't a rule, just a hint. Think of it like checking the sky before you decide if you need a jacket. Step 2. Smell. One gentle sniff is enough, no swirling. If you are using a small cup, smell near the rim where aroma gathers. Don't hunt for the perfect word, just pick a direction. That's already a win. Here are 3 easy directions. Fruity, like apple, melon, or citrus. Grain, like steamed rice, cereal, or bread. Mature, like nuts or caramel. You don't need a fancy vocabulary. Direction is enough. Step 3. Sip. Take a small sip. For beginners, focus on one thing, body. Does it feel light and clean or rich and full? Now here are 2 real examples you can actually use. Example A. Light plus fruity. Example B. Rich plus grain. This is the cheat code. 2 simple words help you remember what you liked. To make this useful, keep a one-line memory, body plus direction. Then you can say, last time I had something light and fruity. Do you have anything like that? You can use the same idea in a store too. Simple words get you better bottles. Quick, friendly warning so you don't ruin the moment. Avoid big sip, avoid swallowing, and avoid overthinking. Your job is just to notice one thing. That's how you enjoy sake without shout. Let's recap. Look, smell, and sip. Notice, don't judge. Tonight, try it once and write one line. Body plus direction. Next time, we'll go behind the scenes. Sake versus rice wine. And the key question is, are they the same? Thank you for watching Sake Visually. Subscribe for more visual sake guide. And now, kanpai!